Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called the Home Decor Luxe Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now this series is called Bling on the Fall. So let me tell you who the co-hosts are. So we have Lady Allie, who is the main host, and she's from Glam Elegant Living. We have Creations by Simone, Decorating Ann's Place, the Rodgers House, DIY Design by CCW at Penny's Place, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Amethyst Adventures, the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, that's me, and A Happy Hoarder. So the rules of this collab were real easy. They were either to decorate a tablescape or a tabletop, a vignette, a tour of a room. You could use any style, any color. Basically, it was freestyle. So what I wanted to say first is that all of my videos, I've been using and decorating in items that we can use throughout the whole year. And I'm doing that on purpose because even though we can add accent colors to our decor pieces, we can remove just the decor pieces and still use the items. And that's what I love about these videos. So jumping into today's video, we're going to be making two different kinds of wreaths. One of them will be a hanging one, and one of them we're going to use as a centerpiece. So right now what you see me doing here is we are going to use the loose gems that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and those rings I also purchased from the Dollar Tree also. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. Most of them, if not all, are from the Dollar Tree. So what I decided to do here is take those two rings outside. I spray painted those in white. And then with the clear gems that the Dollar Tree sells, we are going to go around this wreath one way, and then we're going to go around the opposite way with the same loose gems. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to be linking below the host and the co-host channels along with their channel links and also the playlist. So make sure that you full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist so that we can get as much ideas as we possibly can for the holiday season. Okay, let's jump right back into the video and let's get these gems on front and back, and I'll be right back with you. So what I normally like to do throughout the year, and one of those things is what I said before, is that I like to make decor that I can use all year. And I also like to just add little accent pieces so that the holiday decor around it is celebrating the occasion. But then I remove just those things. And so another thing I like to do is when I make these projects, I love to give them out during the Christmas holiday. So now as you can see, this wreath is pretty much done. I did leave a gap there because that is what we're going to use to stand this wreath up. And I think it came out absolutely beautiful. As you can see right here. Look at this. It is gorgeous. So now this wooden box here was one of the little boxes from Easter. What I did was paint that white. Here we have a block of your floral styrofoam. I'm going to go ahead and just remove that plastic off of there, and we're going to be gluing that to the box. Then we have some florals, and here are the accent pieces. We're going to be using the blue with the pumpkins, and then these are white roses, and this is what I was talking about. So now I absolutely love the buffalo check, so we will be making a buffalo check bow to put on top of this wreath. I cannot wait for you to see this project. So now here what you see me doing is we are going to put a little slit in the middle of that styrofoam in order to fit that wreath inside of it. And that is what you see me doing here. And now we're going to be cutting the florals so that we can stick them in the styrofoam block. Okay, so right here, you're going to see me placing that wreath inside of that styrofoam. And then we're going to be filling that in with hot glue until it dries and it sits still. So now once this hot glue fully dries and the wreath is no longer moving, we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue that styrofoam to that block, that decor piece that I painted in white. We're going to glue that there for stability. So right around that block, we're going to go ahead and fill it in with the white roses, and then we're going to stick the blue flower or maple leaves with the white pumpkins. We're going to fill that in as accent pieces, and these accent pieces you will be able to remove because you have the white roses. And this is what I mean by using the decor, the accent pieces as decor pieces just during the holiday. Then you can go ahead and remove right after, and the wreath is still looking just as beautiful as it did with the decor pieces. So now it's time to attach the buffalo check bow, and we're going to attach that from the top because I think that's where it's going to look the most beautiful. So this is what I'm doing here. I think this piece came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. Let's move on to the next wreath. So now this wire wreath is made out of pearls and also the buffalo check bow. I put that on the top. This is a hanging wreath, and we are using white maple leaves with the pumpkins. So these pearls here, the large ones, I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And now we're going to go ahead. The difference is that I spray painted these wreath bars in gold, and we'll be using the white pearls. So we're going to be repeating the same process as we did with the gems. So let's see how this turns out. So I want to take a moment and thank the host, Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living, and also the co-hostesses for this collaboration. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it also. Let's get back to the wreath. So because this is a hanging wreath, I decided to make a swag using those white maple leaves and those pumpkins, and we are going to attach that to the bottom of this wreath. So as we did with the first one, all you have to do is change out the swag and the wreath still remains the same. Absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is the reveal of the wreath. It is gorgeous. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed making it. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.